All right, guys, welcome back to another video. It's your man, Jay Will. So, wow, I'm shocked. I shouldn't be, but I am. Yesterday, or day before yesterday, I believe, Samsung decided to release this for the Chinese market. And I guess I can only say, why, Samsung? Why only release certain colors in certain areas? This is probably one of the oldest and lamest ways to do business. By releasing colors in certain markets or certain parts of the world. This color is absolutely, it looks great. It's like a deep red or a candy apple red. Might look pink, but that's just that wallpaper. But it's the Samsung Galaxy S9 and the S9 Plus in red. And they're, I guess they're kind of touting this for women or whatever. But this phone color is actually really, really nice. So this is a quick video, really quick. What do you guys think about the decision? Once again, an OEM that's really good, but making choices like this, I just don't understand it. This is the Galaxy S9 and the S9 Plus in this red color. Plum, red, I don't know. What do you guys think? Should this come to the US too? Let me know in the comments. Take care.